In your computer keyboard, suppose the number lock key, so you must press this number lock. We can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and alt this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 9641. So after typing 9641, you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that we have created a symbol. This symbol we have created, that is this is a square with diagonal crosshatch fill. So we have created this symbol using a keyboard shortcut. So for creating this symbol, you must keep in mind the keyboard shortcut, that is alt 9641. This is the keyboard shortcut for creating this symbol. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.